Hello, today I will be discussing on the project name Mangalam, which has 9,900 square feet area and situated in Surat. Hello, this is architect Jigar Patel, principal designer of JGP Consultant Surat. Design of personal residence is always one challenge, and the main challenge of the project was that the plot was linear and narrative. We just had a good scope of design in front side and back side. The linear form where one side is adjacent to plot and other side is compound wall of other society. The design of Mangalam was started with the concept and designed public and private spaces on the lower and upper levels. Solid and voids in a form of spaces and terraces to introduce and create an interesting play of levels. The focus is on bringing the outdoor into the living spaces. All public spaces open towards the blurring boundaries. The basic concept of the planning is the dialogue between simple and innovation between craftsmanship and design with a modern design sensibility. The house design paying close attention to the light, materials and resultant spaces. The idea was to craft the space that would be rich texture and assign a deep meaning of the space to create an environment that speaks the journey of time and space. Through modern simple family, they have modern contemporary style of roots. Mangalam is a residential space has been designed and analyzed exploring and thinking about the lifestyle. The landscape creates a permeable transition between outdoor and indoor. The lush free scope again are doing a good freshness to the house. The main entry itself is struck by the vastness of the foyer and parking level which leads towards the staircase that is formally connected and leaving between beautiful porch inside the foyer. All living spaces directly or indirectly open into the lush terrace garden. Beautiful sunrise and sunset view of client when they start and end with this day. The living room has warm shade and furniture floating on a linear wall and sofa against the wooden center table, and the staircase and the small inner court seating at the other side of the entire space of living. The tone of the house is warm and every room has its own individuality. Looking towards the linearity of the site, there is no any barrier is given to the whole plate of living and kitchen floor. Kitchen design as per linear along with the island and dining with linear store to avoid all the blockage on linearity. Our second floor planning has put down on open temple with surrounding with brass, white color and wooden. If you will see all the bathrooms, you will find beautiful courtyard and every individual bathroom to make more attractive. The centrally inside staircase was designed to make simple and clean, which enhanced the beauty of the project. All the bedrooms are designed as per their own individuality. Pure white and clean bedrooms are prepared to maintain minimal concept. Two terraces were designed individually to use as one as a service terrace and other as a terrace garden. If you will see the interior of the project, the interior is very simple to make more minimal concept with white wall and minimal photo frames. If you will check the backside elevation, you will find a cross iconic balcony with single circular column. Our basic concept was to finish bungalow in brick and white color. Our target was to keep whole residence pure minimal, so the material and design was selected as per the minimal concept. The conclusion of the project, we think that our experience was tremendous with client, with the materials and with the minimal workout. We have given a different style of architecture to the client and client is very satisfied. Thank you.